Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So Christmas is coming. Yes, it is. I'm sorry I had to say it. But overall, think about gifts like for people's birthdays, bridal showers, wedding showers, for your teacher, for your kid's teacher, for the mailman, for your cleaning lady, everything. Okay, you guys, honestly, I don't know about you, but there's probably a couple people, probably more than a couple people, that you're thinking of that they're so hard to actually shop for. And you know what? The worst thing to do is to just kind of buy a gift for somebody because you just happen to see it. No big deal. Here you go. They're probably not going to love it, but oh well. I love giving, as silly as that sounds, but I love giving more than I like to receive a gift. So I shop all year round. If I see something for somebody in March for Christmas, I will buy it then. I put it in our closet, the top shelf, so I don't necessarily see it, right? But then I know come Christmas time, they will love that gift. So Epicure is perfect, perfect. So if you are an Epicure consultant, why not show this amazing new business that you have? Show people how amazing Epicure is. I love, which I do have some here for you, I love our meal packs that we have, okay? Something simple, okay? You know what? These are amazing. I have a ton of them for myself because what I do, I just put them in our cupboard. And one day when I'm thinking, what's for dinner? Shoot, I didn't really plan anything. I just have to open that up, just pick one. I mean, this isn't really dinner, but but these ones, well, cheesecake really isn't either. So I would probably pick one of these. Like, okay, do we want lasagna or do we want tuna casserole? Okay, awesome. Let's have some lasagna. People love this. And once they try Epicure, they will want more. So gift ideas are amazing. For something even more exciting, you know, throw in 3 of these, throw in a spatula, throw in a steamer, you know, all things Epicure, because everybody cooks, or you know, everybody eats. Get them into cooking at home, and everybody likes food. Who does not like food? And Epicure is good for everybody because again, everybody eats. Who would not be excited to get some Epicure, because that will help them eat better, healthier. They will know what to eat. But look at everything. Like, look at our cookware. Give them away, well, not away, well, yes, away as gifts. Wrap them up nicely. People will love it. You are actually saving money because you get 20% off, if not more, depending on where you are in the company. And so you're getting a discount buying these gifts for people. Depending on what the gifts are for, it could be also a tax deductible. Not if they're gifts, but if it's like a prize draw that you're having, that can be tax deductible. But that's not kind of the main thing that I want you guys to think about with that anyway. But if you need help with that, let me know, because I know all about what you can deduct and what you can't. But don't be like, oh, do people really want Epicure as gifts? Why not, you guys? Wrap it up. People love it, because I was like that when I first started selling about 3 years ago. You know, I thought, okay, Epicure, I love it. Do other people love it? Are they going to think I'm being lazy for giving them Epicure as gifts? No, people love them because they probably want to try Epicure, but they don't necessarily know what to buy. Give them, you know, the 3 dip gift sets. Those meal box sets are perfect because there's at least 44 recipes, I would say, that they can make from those, and it comes in a nice box. Who does not like a gift box? But even then, you could always give them one of those and one of these. If you want to do like a dessert theme, get them a couple of these. Get them a steamer, because they can do a steamer, or sorry, they can do a cheesecake in a steamer. If it's for kids, you can get them like a popcorn set, because you can make popcorn in the steamer. You can give them our we have like maple popcorn seasoning, we have creamy dill, and a cheddar one. Hey, give them all of them. They're happy, you're happy, because you're selling Epicure, you know, so that those points count towards your end of the month quota, right? Overall, and you get a discount buying Epicure. And throw in a catalog. People will come back to you and they will want more. Trust me. I give gifts to everybody. I do give them other things too, yes, but Epicure is a win-win. You will never have to think, oh, somebody's birthday is coming up, I forgot to get them a gift. Give them Epicure, you guys. Okay, so, but let me know if you guys have any questions. Even feel free to comment below. Let me know what is the most exciting Epicure gift somebody has gotten. I'm trying to think about one that I would have gotten somebody. I would say the steamers are the biggest hit. People always go, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. Everybody does. It's good for people who are in college, learning how to cook for themselves for the first time. Men who might be on their own, they need a steamer. Really anybody, because you can cook anything in them. So trust me, that is a great gift. Even we sold our house the other day, and I plan to be giving like a gift package to the agent, because we will probably see her soon. And I know she'll love that. And how I see it is, you know, agents are pretty busy. Help them with some Epicure, give her a steamer, give her a catalog, and oh, she'll love it. So thank you guys so much for listening, but let me know what some of your ideas might be, and I'll talk to you in the next one.